Hello students, today we are going to discuss the part 2 of analgesic agent. First one is bronchodilator agents. Bronchodilator क्या कि जो रिलैक्स करेंगे. Dilation means relaxation. Some of the sympathomimetics mean that have selective bronchodilatory action or that are used in asthma or related conditions. Then इसमें ड्रग्स आ जाएंगी आइसोप्रिनालिन, एफेड्रिन, सुडोफेड्रिन that are mainly useful as a bronchodilators. First is ऑर्सिप्रिनालिन सल्फेट. इसमें है 1,3,5 डाइहाइड्रोक्सीफिनाइल 2 आइसोप्रोपाइल अमीनो इथेनॉल सल्फेट्स that has different structure from isoprenaline in the position of hydroxy group. It's a white crystalline powder mainly stored in lighter crystals container, also sterilized by filtration or used in the form of tablets or injection, also used in bronchial asthma. The usual dose is 20 to 80 mg. नेक्स्ट इज साल्बुटामोल, आल्सो ए ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर. इसमें होता है 1,4-हाइड्रोक्सी 3-हाइड्रोक्सी मिथाइल फिनाइल 2 टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल अमीनो इथेनॉल. इट्स आल्सो ए वाइट क्रिस्टलन पाउडर soluble in water, used in the form of its salt that is freely soluble in water, also stored in a closed container. That also used in premature labor, also bronchodilator. Usual dose 6 to 16 mg. नेक्स्ट इज टर्बुटालिन. टर्बुटालिन क्या है? दैट इज आल्सो ए ब्रोंकोडाइलेटर. इसमें होता है 2 टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल अमीनो 3,5-हाइड्रोक्सी फिनाइल इथेनॉल सल्फेट. दैट इज आल्सो वाइट पाउडर soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol. That is used in bronchial asthma or other condition. Next is methoxyphenamine hydrochloride. That is a white bitter powder soluble in water or alcohol, also a bronchodilator. Action in treatment of an asthma, also used in allergic rhinitis. Next is aminophylline. Aminophylline, that is a salt of or combination of theophylline or ethylene diamine derivatives. It's also a bronchodilator that don't show pharmacological to sympathomimetic class, also used in asthma. Aminophylline is a yellowish granules with a bitter taste and typical odor. It decomposes on exposure to air, freely soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. Usual dose 0.2 to 0.5 mg. That can given by IV route. Next is vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor used as a nasal decongestant, nasal blocker, or used in the form of inhalers. Drugs which are used as a vasoconstrictor, that are cyclopentamine hydrochloride, phenylpropylamine, ephedrine, pseudoephedrine, which are useful in nasal decongestions. First one is naphthalene hydrochloride. Naphthalene hydrochloride 2,1-dimethyl methyl 2-amidazoline hydrochlorides. That is a white crystalline powder soluble in water. Potent vasoconstricting agents with prolonged action, mainly in nasal congestion. Usual dose 1 to 2 drops of 0.05 to 0.1% solution. Next is tetrahydrozoline hydrochlorides. इसमें होता है 2,3,4 tetrahydro 1-naphthyl 2-amidazoline. It is freely soluble in water and alcohol, white crystalline powder. Also similar action like naphthalene hydrochloride, also used in nasal congestion. It prolonged action, so may induce chemical rhinitis. So overdose cause drowsiness, sweating. So usual dose 2 to 3 drops only. Next is प्रोपाइल हेक्साडीन. प्रोपाइल में होता है N-अल्फा डाइमिथाइल साइक्लोहेक्साइथाइल अमीन. It also a colorless, odorless liquids. It has characteristics amine-like odor, spring, slightly soluble in water and alcohol, alkaline to litmus, also absorb carbon dioxide from air, also preserved in airtight container, also in nasal congestion, inhaler as inhaler use होता है, also vasoconstricted effect on mucous membrane. Next ज़ाइलोमेटाज़ोलिन. ज़ाइलोमेटाज़ोलिन जो ऑट्रिविन हम इनहेलर यूज़ करते हैं उसमें होता है ज़ाइलोमेटाज़ोलिन. ज़ाइलोमेटाज़ोलिन 2,4 टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल 2,6 डाइमिथाइल बेंजाइल 2-amidazoline. It is white crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water or alcohol, So usual dose 0.05 to 0.1 for nasal congestions. Next one is miscellaneous. There are different drugs which are used in miscellaneous that can also use in drowsiness or which cause sedative effect. Anorexic action also as an anti-obesity drug like amphetamine sulfate, methamphetamine, methamphetamine hydrochloride, dexamphetamine क्या है dextro isomers of amphetamine also as a CNS stimulant in the form of tablet dose 5 to 20 mg. Fenfluramine that is ethyl alpha methyl 3 trifluoromethyl phenyl ethyl amine hydrochloride that is a crystalline powder soluble in water and ethanol that has no stimulant action on CNS, used as an anorexic agent, appetite suppressant in the form of tablet. Appetite suppressant means कि भूख को ख़त्म कर देता है 40 to 120 mg डेली. नेक्स्ट नाइलिडीन, इसमें होता है पैरा हाइड्रोक्सी 1 मिथाइल 3 फिनाइल प्रोपाइल अमीनो इथाइल बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. इट आल्सो ए वेजोडाइलेटर. Side effect are nervousness, palpitation. Usual dose 6 mg 3 times a day. Isoxaprine also white crystalline powder 4 hydroxyphenyl 1 methyl 2 hydroxymethylamino propane 1 all. That is vasodilator also in peripheral vascular disease, uterine laxant in the form of tablet. Usual dose 80 mg. Phenotrirol also white crystalline powder soluble in water, that is 3,5-dihydroxyphenyl 4-hydroxy alpha methyl phenyl ethylamino ethanol hydrobromide. It is a beta adrenoreceptor agonist. Thank you.